Hey there, welcome to the Gemba Lead YouTube channel. You know what? If you're someone who's passionate about leadership quality and making things better every day, then you've come to the right place. Here on this channel, we're all about real-world leadership. Together, we'll explore practical tools, proven frameworks, and strategies that actually work to help you lead right where it matters most. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, tech, or service industries, this channel is made just for you. So let me ask you something. What exactly is Gemba? Well, Gemba is actually a Japanese word, and it simply means the actual place. Think of it as the factory floor, the front line. Basically, it's where the real work happens, where value is created, and yes, where problems actually show up. When we talk about going to the Gemba, here's what we mean. Get out there and observe what's happening. Connect with your people and see things for yourself firsthand. That's what real leadership is all about. So what can you expect from this channel? Let me break it down for you. Every Tuesday, we've got Tool Tuesdays, where you'll learn some really powerful quality and leadership tools. Then there's quick wins, simple practical tips you can put to use right away. We'll do Gemba walkthroughs, showing you real examples from the field. And don't miss our case study Saturdays, where we share success stories and valuable lessons learned. Everything here is packed with insights you can actually use. If you're ready to become a leader who brings clarity, purpose, and tangible results, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to tap the notification bell and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear where your Gemba is. Thanks so much for watching. You know what? This is just the beginning of our journey together, Gemba Lead, where real leadership meets the real world. I'll see you at the Gemba.